Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about custom artisan command. Artisan is a frequently used command line interface that comes with Laravel, which provides a set of commands that are helpful while building the Laravel application. For seeing the all artisan command, just go inside the command prompt and just type here php artisan and just press enter. And here you can see all the artisan command. Using this artisan command, we generate models, controllers, middleware, test cases, and many other types of files for the Laravel project. So now let's see how can we create custom artisan command in Laravel 8. For creating custom command, just type here the command php artisan make command space command name. Let's say command name is users. Okay, and now press enter. Command created. Now switch to the project and just go inside the app directory, then consoles, then commands, and here you can see the users command. Okay, so just open this file, and inside this users command file, uh, inside the signature, just add here the command. Okay, here I am just going to create the command for list all user on console. So I am just going to type here users colon list. Okay, and inside this description just add here the command description. So just write here list all users from users table. All right, now inside this handle method, you can see here the handle method. So inside this handle method, just write here let's fetch all the users from users table and display users inside the table on console. Okay, so just write here first of all let's create a column. So just write here headers, create an array, and inside this array let's add a column. I am just going to fetch three column id and name and email. Okay, these are the columns. And now just write here users and users model. So just write here user and also import here the user model. So just write here use app slash models user. Okay, and now just call the select function select, and inside this select just add here the column id name email. Okay, so just write here id comma name comma email. Okay, and call here the get function. All right, now let's display these records on console inside the table. So for just write here, for that just write here dollar this and arrow table, and inside this table just add here the headers and users. Okay, so first copy this headers and just paste here in first parameter argument, and in second argument just pass here this users. Right, now just save this file. Now just go inside the kernel and let's add here in commands array, just add here this users command. Okay, so inside this commands array just write here users. All right, and also add here the path of the user command. So just write here use app console commands and users. Okay, and just write here colon colon class. All right, now save this file. Okay, now it's done. So let's check this. So switch to the command prompt and first of all let's check the artisan command list. So just type here php artisan and press enter, and inside this artisan command list, here you can see the custom command users colon list. Okay, and this is the command description, list all users from users table. Alright, now let's run this command. So just I write here php artisan users colon list. Alright, now press enter, and here you can see the all users record with ID, name and email. Alright. Alright, now let's see how can we pass an argument with a custom artisan command. Okay, so for that just go inside the users command file, and inside this signature just add here, just give a space, and for passing the argument just write here curly bracket and then argument name. Let's say argument name is ID. Okay, now let's use this argument. So inside this handle function I'm just going to use argument with where clause. So just write here where and column name ID, and just write here $this arrow. For getting this argument, just write here $this argument, and inside this argument just add here the argument name, which is ID. Okay, so just write here ID. Alright, now save this file, and let's check this. So switch to the command prompt, and here just type the command php artisan users colon list, and here the parameter, let's say ID is 1 2, and just press enter, and here you can see the record which ID is 2. Okay, if I change the argument here, let's say 1, you can see here the record which ID is 1. Okay, so in this way you can create custom artisan command in Laravel 8. So that's all about custom artisan command. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.